There is a silent cartel of 20-somethings on the internet right now, quietly pulling in $30,000 to $50,000 a month, and they are doing it using a completely invisible business model. They don't dropship cheap products from China, they don't run complicated Facebook ads, and they don't cold call angry local business owners. What I have uncovered is a hidden loophole in the creator economy, a system I call attention arbitrage. In the next 7 minutes, I am going to expose exactly how this ghost agency model works and how absolute beginners are inserting themselves as the ultimate middlemen to collect massive checks without editing a single video. This is the blueprint they didn't want leaked. Pay close attention. To understand this loophole, you have to understand one brutal truth about 2024. Brands, gaming studios, and massive podcasts are starving for attention. If a brand runs traditional ads, they are paying a ridiculous $20 for 1,000 views. It's burning their cash. But what if you offered them a cheat code? What if you told a multi-million-dollar company, give me a $10,000 budget and I will guarantee you 10 million organic views across TikTok and Shorts? They will hand you their credit card instantly. Here is the genius part. You don't fulfill the work. When that $10,000 wire hits your account, you immediately take a 30% cut. That is $3,000 directly into your pocket. You take the remaining $7,000 and you deploy an army of faceless, decentralized video clippers. You literally go to a private community, post the brand's raw video, and say, I will pay anyone here $1 for every 1,000 views they generate. You are just the toll booth on the digital highway. You collect the cash as the traffic passes through. Now you are probably thinking, why would a massive brand trust me, a nobody with 0 followers, with $10,000? You don't send spam emails, you use what I call the Trojan Horse Protocol. Instead of messaging a CEO from your brand new account, you find massive theme pages on Instagram, pages with millions of followers. You pay the owner of that page $50 just to send a DM to your target client on your behalf. When a verified account with 5 million followers slides into a CEO's DM saying, hey, you need to work with this guy, he built an insane distribution network, they read it, they click your profile, they book a call, your pitch is entirely risk-free for them. It is performance-based. You are offering a literal army of editors that will flood the internet with their product. It is a mathematical no-brainer. But here is the real secret sauce. Managing thousands of teenagers editing videos sounds like a nightmare, right? It's not. The entire fulfillment process is automated using community dashboard software. You create a bounty campaign. It takes less than 3 minutes. You upload the client's raw footage to a Google Drive, set the payout rule, let's say $1.25 per 1,000 views, and you click launch. The editors download the footage, use AI tools to chop it into viral shorts, and post them across hundreds of burner accounts. The software tracks their views automatically. When an editor hits the target, the system handles the micro payouts. You don't touch spreadsheets. You don't manually check TikTok accounts. You just monitor the dashboard while the AI and the algorithms do the heavy lifting. The golden era of traditional social media marketing agencies is dead. The future belongs to the arbitrageurs, the middlemen who control distribution networks without producing the content themselves. This specific loophole is wide open right now. But as more people catch on, the barrier to entry will skyrocket. If you want to start, you don't even need money. You can join one of these communities as a clipper today. Edit videos for brands and learn the mechanics of virality. Once you master the game, You step out, build your own agency, and become the middleman. If you want the exact tools, software, and community platforms required to automate a ghost agency like this, check the links in the description below. And if you are serious about engineering your own digital wealth this year, hit the subscribe button right now. Next week, I am exposing an AI micro SaaS system that is literally printing money under the radar. You do not want to miss it.